Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum. While I have been able to maintain a steady, regular schedule of video production during the pandemic, thanks in part to a lot of very cool people out there who are sending me some good stuff to film, one of the unfortunate consequences of not being able to travel for the last couple of months is that I was unable to take a planned trip to the Morphy auction house out in Pennsylvania. They have an auction coming up at the end of this week, and there is a bunch of cool stuff in there, and a bunch of cool stuff that I was really looking forward to getting to take a look at and getting to do some filming. In particular, Morphy's is always a fantastic source, a fantastic opportunity for me to actually shoot a bunch of interesting machine guns and bring those to you guys on camera. They do a tremendous amount of NFA sales, and they have a great range setup that we can go use, and that's always one of my favorite activities of the spring, is heading out to Morphy's to do some shooting. So I figured I really like them. They're very generous in giving me that access and opportunity. So I give them a little bit of a plug here. They've got their auction coming up at the end of this week. They have something like 100 NFA items in it, including a few of the specific things that I had been looking forward to filming myself. At the top of the list was an Osten Mark II, actually a transferable Osten Mark II, which is super cool. They only built a couple hundred of those, and I never had expected to see one transferable and here in the US. They have a couple Marlin 1917 diggers, so I was looking forward to getting a chance to do something with one of those. Those are cool. They're not really diggers anymore because Marlin converted them to a straight gas piston system, but something I haven't had a chance to look at on the channel yet. They have a Swedish BAR. I have now been able to do American BARs, which I was actually going to do. I was at least going to consider doing a couple more of those. They have a variety of BARs there. But I've done a Polish BAR, I've done the Monitor, I've done a Colt commercial BAR, and I was really looking forward to being able to kind of check another one off that list of interesting BAR versions with the 6.5 Swede version with the pistol grip and the bipod, the cool Swedish version of the BAR. Or one of the two. They have a Johnson light machine gun that I was hoping to get a chance to shoot. I had an opportunity to do one several years ago, but it didn't work out, and that's something I'd really like to have on the channel. And then they had a number of other things. They had a couple of Hugo guns. They had a Hugo M56, which is sort of this hybrid PPS / MP40, which I've had a chance to take apart, but never had a chance to shoot. And then interestingly, they also had a transferable Hugo M92, which is pretty cool. That's the Yugoslav version of the AKS-47U, like the little short-barreled Krinkov, quote-unquote. But the Hugo version has an underfolding stock, and it's in 7.62x39, and I was curious how bad that was going to be to shoot. It's a popular configuration, it's a cool configuration, but it's not one that I've ever had a chance to do any shooting with, in particular in live fire. So unfortunately, all of that will have to wait. Hopefully some of those will come back around. Well, I know some of them will come back around later, but if you're looking for some cool machine gun stuff, definitely check out Morphy's and their auction coming up this weekend, or the end of this week. I obviously can't post the link here, but it's not too hard to find. They do, of course, have more than just NFA stuff. They have a wide selection of antiques, some CNR stuff, some more modern military stuff, a whole variety of cool gun stuff. So check them out. Next time. I hate missing one of those auctions, but c'est la vie. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll be back tomorrow with another regularly scheduled video.